Hi everyone! Magandang hapon. Kamusta kayo? Welcome to Leluna Tarot. So, long time no read again sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo aking mga viewers? So, today is Thursday, February 22, 2024. So, nagawa tayo ngayon ng pick a card reading para sa inyong lahat. So, titingnan natin who is watching. Okay, so who is watching you? It can be a family member, a friend, okay, and why? Why is this person is watching you? Okay, so titingnan natin, sino ba tong person na to na pinapanood ka? Okay, bakit kanya pinapanood? Why? Okay, why kanya pinapanood? Okay, so I hope mag-resonate to sa inyo. Okay, so gagawin natin, kuha tayo dito sa aking mga charm ng pile number 1 and pile number 2. Okay. Okay, so ayan. So, meron tayong dalawang pile for today. So, we have for pile number 1, this number 4 charm. Okay, this number 4 charm. This is pile number 1. Number 4 can be significant sa inyo. And pile number 2, this number 2 charm. Okay. Black and white. Okay. So, number 4 is pile number 1 and number 2 is pile number 2. So, pile number 2 can be, number 2 is significant sa inyo. Okay. So, pili kayo kung anong pile yung sa tingin niyo yung mag-resonate sa inyo. It can be pile number 1 with the number 4 charm and pile number 2 with the number 2 charm. Okay, so pili na kayo guys kung ano yung sa tingin niyo na magre-resonate sa inyo and then start na natin yung reading natin. Okay, so I have keywords, yung aking ginawang keywords, manual keywords na ginawa. So titingnan natin kung tingin tayo ng clue kung sino ba tong person na watching sa inyong pile number 1 or pile number 2. So pili na kayo guys para makapag-start na tayo. Kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, let's start with pile number 1 with the number 4 charm. So, kung ito yung napili mo, number 4 charm, color black, this is your reading. So, pile number 1, who is watching you? So, pili tayo ng any keyword for pile number 1. Pile number 1, who is watching you? Take what's resonate and leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate, okay lang. Pili tayo ng spying. Spying card. Nakita nyo ba? Spying. So, these cards confirming na this person is spying on my pile number 1. So, kuha tayo ng tatlong keywords. Spying can be on social media. Okay. Meron ako nakuha. It can be on social media, guys. Uy. Far. This person is far. Far from you. Pile number 1. So, it can be overseas. It can be on Pilipinas lang, pero it can be on province. Or kailangan pang mag-travel papunta sa'yo. Na natin. Guys, nakikita nyo, sinashuffle ko ha. Hindi ko pinipili yan. Okay, last card for keywords. For some of you, this person wants to say sorry, wants to apologize sa inyo. Pwedeng may ginawa to. Uy. Honest. It can be this person wants to tell you the truth or wants to tell you something, want to have a honest conversation sa inyo, pile number 1. Okay, and then bottom of the deck is message. Anong sabi ko, di ba? Maybe this person wants to talk to you. Okay. It can be this person is literally honest, a honest person. Okay. This person wants to send you a message or want to talk to you. Okay. File number 1. Okay, so tingnan natin. Honest conversation or wants to tell you something. Oh, yan ang ano natin yan ang ating clue. Number 4 can be significant. Meron ako nakita spying, far, and honest. Okay, so pili tayo ng... Okay, so tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng clue pa. Gamitin natin yung situation card. Okay, situation card for my pile number 1. Oops. Far. Tingnan natin Ano ba? Anong clue pa yung makukuha natin? Who is watching my file number 1? Who is watching my file number 1? Last shuffle. Okay. Oops. Settlement, agreement, compromise. Uy. For some of you guys, this person wants to sit together with you and talk to you about a settlement. For some of you, an agreement about a kompromiso. Maybe this person is nangako sa'yo. Meron ako nakikita na it can be this person is may ipinangako sa'yo or may ipinramis sa'yo. Uy! Realization card is here. Awareness, finding out, coming to light. Maybe this person has a realization. Merong realization tong person na to. Denial, not facing truth, irrational reasoning. Maybe this person wants to ask you something about dun sa nalaman niya. It can be, meron ako nakuha na this person wants to talk to you about something or wants to clear something sa'yo, for some of you. Okay, this person with the shade card signify is spying, okay? Spying. Okay? Looking at you. Okay? It can be this is a water sign. Threatened. Embarrassed appearances. This person can be some kind of embarrassed or naiinis or something na Meron akong nararamdaman na ano to, medyo na pissed off. Yun nga, naiinis. Pop-up, spontaneous, unexpected, surprise visit. This is a sudden, okay? This is a sudden, if bigla to susulpot, okay? It can be this person is matagal ka nang walang balita, matagal na kayong no communication, matagal na kayong hindi nag-uusap nito, okay? And maybe yung iba sa inyo, akala ninyo na tong person na to is kinalimutan ka na rin kasi it can be happened long time ago. Meron akong nakitang ganon, ha? Guys, yung mga sinasabi ko, that is a clue, okay? To know who is this person that is watching you, okay? So, it can be this person. Meron akong nakita na this is from overseas, okay? With the pop-up card. Meron akong nakuha na from overseas. Okay. Journal, writing, diary, keeping notes. Uy, meron akong nakuha na this person is keeping tabs also sa inyo, ha? Nung mga nalalaman niya. Or just simply keeping tabs. Okay. Bottom of the deck is wish. Hope, praying, yearning. This person is some kind of wishing. Okay. Maybe wishing na sana hindi totoo kung ano man yung nalaman niya, maybe, or vice versa about sa inyo. Meron akong nakita na maybe this is an ex. It can be this is an ex. And siguro nangako to sa'yo ng something, nangako to sa'yo eh. Meron akong nakikitang nangako. Okay? Or this person has an realization towards you. Okay? This person wants to have a honest conversation, wants to be honest, maybe sa emotion niya towards sa'yo. This person is gusto sigurong magtapat sa'yo. Meron ako nakikita, realization. With the realization card, this person realizes something. Akala mo siguro hindi ka ni-spy nito kasi naka-block siya or anything. Pero this person maybe is hiding, okay, on others account or any on dummy, denial, di ba? So, maybe this person denying pa siguro sa nararamdaman niya, pero nagkaroon to ng realization. And for with the threatened card, this person can be threatened because maybe you are in a new connection na. Okay? Pero ako nakita dito na you are in a new connection na. This person randomly pop up, magpapakita, magme-message, magsisend ng message with the message card kanina. Okay? With the journal, it can signify messages din yung katulad kanina. Will send you a message, write you a message. Okay? Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Kuha tayo ng Hermit. Kuha tayo ng The Hermit. Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin? Kuha tayo ng The Hermit card. Light. Yung light, coming to light. Okay? Ano sabi ko? Coming to light. So, ibig sabihin, o pwedeng magtatapat, coming to light, realization, mag-message, magiging honest. Kung hindi nasabi nito kung ano yung gusto pang sabihin niya sa'yo, maybe, sasabihin niya na sa'yo ngayon. Tingnan natin na. I'm open to compromise. Oh my God! This person Guys, with the settlement card, agreement and compromise. Tingnan nyo guys agreement and compromise. With this card, I'm open to compromise. I'm open to compromise. Compromiso, compromise. Huh? I'm open to compromise. Oh my gosh. This person is open to compromise, guys. About what? Na-realize niya na gusto ka pa niya? Oh my gosh. Kompromiso. Compromise is agreement or a settlement, di ba? Ability to listen. This person wants to listen. Siguro, yung mag-usap kayo. Talking, okay? Settlement. Having a mutual decision, mutual understanding, compromise. Oh my gosh. Compromise. Be more selfish. Be more selfish. Siguro, this be more selfish, this is a advice maybe sa aking mga viewers. With the be more selfish. Meron ako nakukuha na whatever, kung ano man yung this person wants to talk to you and wants to ask you something or wants to have a deep conversation with you, kung ano man yon, siguro, nasabi, be more selfish. So, guys, kayo nakakaalam kung ano man yun, ha? Next. I hope you'll wait for me. Oh my gosh, I hope you'll wait for me, number 3. Oh my, this person, maybe, meron akong nakuha. Siguro, sinabi niya, nahintayin mo siya. Meron akong nakuha na message na this person asked you, sa aking mga viewers, kung sino man na mag-resonate, nahintayin mo siya. Maybe this person nga is nasa malayo with the far card. Nakukuha nyo guys, with the far card. This person is far, malayo sa inyo. Kaya nga, in communication lang kayo in message. Okay? It can be a social media. With the pop-up card and the balloon card signifies that this person is far away sa inyo. Malayo. I hope you'll wait for me. This person is hoping na hihintayin mo siya. Hintayin mo siya. I think we should see other people. Number 3 again. This card, I think we should see other people. Feeling ko, this one is ikaw ang nagsasabi. Siguro, binuksan mo na yung sarili mo sa ibang person. Kasi nga, maybe siguro, matagal mo na tong inaantay. Meron akong nakukuha ang ganun, ha. Next. 8. I left because you told me to. Oh my gosh! This person is lumayo. Lumayo, umiwas, no communication, hindi ka kinausap kasi sinabi mo daw sa kanya, I left because you told me to. Number 8. Meron akong nakuha na disagreement, tampuhan. Oh my gosh. Next. I want you to choose. Oh! This card is the confirmation that maybe you are in a new connection right now. I want you to choose. This person wants you to choose between your present and itong person na to na napipick up natin na watching you. This card na I want you to choose, clarifying that you are, for some of you, you are in a new connection right now. You are entertaining other people. I think we should see each other, other people. You are entertaining right now other person. You choose to entertain others kasi nga malayo to, hindi mo na siya mahintay. Siguro ang tagal na nangyari. I want you to choose. Bottom of the deck. My life started when I met you. Oh. Yung life daw niya is simula nung nakilala ka niya. Oh my. Ang gulo. So, tingnan pa natin. Kuha tayo ng... Yan. Kuha tayo ng tarot card. I will pull a tarot card and next is isa pang oracle deck, and that is the end of pile number 1, okay? So, tingnan nga natin. This person wants you to choose. Maybe you are in a new connection na right now. You are in a new connection na right now. Clarifying that you are in a new connection na right now. Oh my gosh. Pile number 1, sino ang pipiliin mo? If this is an ex or someone from the past, na nagkaroon kayo ng no communication, who will you choose? Oh my. O, tingnan mo, 3 of Swords. Three of Swords. Tingnan natin ha. Who is watching? My pile number 1 and why this person is watching. The Lovers. Divine love. A choice. A relationship. A union. Oh my gosh. Lover card confirming this is a lover. A past lover. An option of yours can be sa love. Okay? This is a lover with the Lover's card. Seven of Swords. Oh my God. Betrayal, deception, getting away with something, dishonesty, sneaky behavior. Oh my God. Scheming. For some of you, this person feel na niloko mo siya, binitray mo siya. Kasi maybe meron kayong usapan na maghihintayan kayo, hihintayin mo siya, hindi ka mag-i-entertain ng iba, pero for some reason, this person, nalaman niya na you are in a new connection right now or entertaining other option. Pile number 1 ha. Tingnan mo, nagpapapulit yung 3 of Swords. This person is hurt Feeling niya na-betray siya. Broken-hearted to ngayon. Yes. Feeling niya niloko mo siya. Oh my gosh, pile number 1. You can be a player. Oh. Tingnan natin ah. Four of Wands. Fire sign. Air sign. Can be a... Uy, for some of you, this is a fiancé. Oh, this is a fiancé that is working abroad or working far away. Yung iba sa inyo hindi ko sinabing ano ha. For some of you, this is a fiancé of yours na hindi naging okay yung ending kasi siguro nagkaroon ng cheating dito or betrayal. Oh. O yung ikakasal na sana, may planong magpakasal pero nag-iba yung landas or yung ano? Maybe it can be this person will talk to you, will pop up, surprise visit sa iyo. Can be because this person wants to ask you to choose between your lover right now or between sa kanya. Kasi mahal ka pa nito. This person open to compromise. Kahit na nasaktan siya, willing siyang tanggapin ka or vice versa. Kompromiso. This person is willing makipag-compromise sa iyo. Kung ano man yung nagawa mong problema sa kanya or vice versa, siya ang nakagawa ng problema sa iyo at ikaw ang willing makipag-compromiso, yun yung nararamdaman ko dito sa reading. This person is willing to give you a chance or to compromise kung ano man yung nangyari before, kung gusto mo pa rin siya. If you still love him. Meron akong nakikita ang ganun ha. This person, kung siya ang pinili mo, this person wants to ask you in marriage. Okay? Or makikipag-engage sa'yo. Okay? Married. Four of Wands is a marriage card, the celebration also. Okay? Queen of Wands. Maybe you are a Queen of Wands. Very beautiful, independent. Okay? Fire sign. This person, siguro gusto niya maging honest ka sa kanya. With the honest card. This person wants you to be honest sa kanya. Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands, this is a fast movement. Mabilis ang pag-uusap. Immediate, sorry, nakagat yung dila ko. This is an immediate action. Biglaan to. This is a surprise visit. Eight of Wands with the pop-up card, surprise visit, unexpected. This is unexpected. Biglaan to. One time, big time to, parang ganon. Bibiglain ka nito, kaya be ready. Okay? Be ready. Ten of Swords. Oh my gosh. For some of you, pwedeng i-reject mo tong person na to. I want you to choose, pwedeng i-reject mo to. Or, you need to be careful who to choose. Whether yourself, whether the person you are connected with right now, or this person. With the selfish card, be more selfish. Alamin mo kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo. Kasi, kapag nagkamali ka ng decision, you can be in a Ten of Swords energy. painful ending. Baka magkamali ka ng piliin. Magkamali ka ng desisyon. Okay, pile number 1. Nakuha mo ba? I hope nakuha mo. Okay. O, di ba? Ace of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. This signify material offer. Okay. A new opportunity. This person is a stable person. Yes, this is a stable person. It can be an earth sign, air sign, fire sign. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng isang oracle. Ano yung advice sa'yo? Pile number 1. Kuha tayo ng isa. Advice kay pile number 1. Give me 1 card for my pile number 1. Uy! Ang dami nito ah. Okay, so kukunin ko lang yung nag-lift. Number 1. Balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. Balance. Balance yourself. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. Nagigets nyo ba? Ang pagmamahal daw is hindi daw about yung mag-a-agree ka lang para lang for the sake of the person or ng sitwasyon o kung ano pa man reason. Hindi ibig sabihin na inayawan mo yung isang person is hindi mo na siya mahal or hindi mo na siya minahal or anything. So, nakukuha ko lang ditong advice sa inyo. Pile number 1 is be careful who to choose, what to say to other person, at kung ano yung i-act ninyo. Okay? It is advised that be more selfish. So, timbangin ninyo yung sitwasyon. If this person asking you to choose between someone else, your current suitor right now or current partner between him, so timbangin niyo yung sitwasyon. Whether tama ba na i-risk mo. Okay. So, pile number 1, who is watching you? Someone who is a lover, a love option, na nasa malayo. Okay. Na gustong magkaroon ng honest conversation sa'yo. Maybe this person is in fear na baka mawala ka sa kanya or hindi siya ang piliin mo. This person wants to offer you stability. May kaya tong person na to, itong nag-i-spy sa'yo, and willing to makipag-kompromiso sa inyo, whether kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo from the past, kung bakit kayo nagkaroon ng separation. Okay, if you're in a new connection right now, be careful, okay, what to choose. And if you already move on, just say, you already move on. Be honest with the honest card. Be honest with your feelings in this person. Wag paasahin, wag magpaasa, masama yon. Okay, guys? So, bakit siya nakipag-communicate sa'yo or bakit siya watching sa'yo is because this person, mahal ka pa rin. This person wants you to choose. Gusto niyang pumili ka. It can be this person is niloko ka, binitray ka. So, mag-iingat, okay? So, pile number 1, this is your reading. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Hindi ko napapatagalin. If you are not, hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Help nyo ako ma-reach yung aking 3K subscribers, okay? Konti na lang, guys, ha? Sa mga nakasubscribe na, like this video and share this video. Comment down below if nag-resonate sa inyo. So kung hindi man nag-resonate sa inyo, whether regarding sa sign is hindi naman nag-resonate, huwag kayong masyadong mag-focus sa sign, okay? So, comment down below kung resonate sa inyo. Kung hindi, pwede kang manood ng pile number 2, okay? So, pile number 1, bye! Sa aking mga viewers sa pumili ng pile number 2, this is your reading. So, who is watching? You, and why? So, tingnan natin, ha? So, I have my keywords card na ginawa ko. Tingnan natin why this person is watching and who is watching. Okay? So, titingnan natin. Pile number 2. So, kamusta kayo, guys? Shuffle lang natin. Okay. Oh. Okay. Give me 3 cards for pile number 2. Who is watching my pile number 2 and why? First card. Uy! First card is internet. Nakikita nyo ba, guys? Sorry kasi dark yung internet. This is from internet. This person is watching you through internet. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Give me 2 cards for my pile number 2. Who is watching my pile number 2? Pasensya nyo na yung tahol ng aso, guys, ha? Kasi I have a fur baby. And fur cats. Give me 2 cards for my pile number 2. Who is watching? Uy! 2 cards na. Husband. Uy, it can be this is a husband. Your husband. Sister. Can be a sister. Bottom of the deck is, uy, message again, like pile number 1, message. Pile number 2, this person or this persons wants to message you online. Online. Maybe, meron ako nakuha sa inyo, pile number 2, your husband, if hindi mo to kasama, your husband is asking your sister to watch over you in the internet. Nakuha nyo? Okay. So, tingnan natin sa situation card. Same card lang ang gagamitin ko, guys, ha? Like pile number 1. Okay. Tingnan natin. Bakit ba? A sister and a husband. Okay. Let's start. Ay. Pop up. Realization again. Teka lang, i-ano natin kasi kanina. Yan din yung lumabas na card kanina sa pile number 1. Oh my gosh. Shuffle natin. Okay. Shuffle natin. sold. Moving physical location change. Oh, for some of you, I have a feeling that if you're separated in your husband or hiwalay kayo or hindi kayo magkasundo, maybe lumipat kayo or umalis, lumayo. Pretending, fake living beyond means. Oh, okay. Soulmate, similar friendship, romantic partner. On the table, offer, proposal, commitment. Lost, ghosted, blocked, cut off. For some of you, if this husband is blocked, cut off, maybe this husband asking your sister to watch you on the internet. Last card. Trash. Discarding, throwing out. Uy. For some of you, meron ako nakikita dito na there is a separation. Okay. And maybe you sell, binibenta mo yung mga ari-arian, moving, physical location change. Lumipat ka ng bahay. Okay. Bottom of the deck is happiness. Wholeness, overjoy, smiling. Uy. For some of you, your sister is spying on you kasi siguro nag-asawa ka na. If you are if feminine, siguro nag-asawa ka na. Tumira sa iba, lumipat ng bahay. You are proposed already. You are in a commitment na with a soulmate. This sister is lost kasi po pwedeng kinat off mo siya or binlock. Oy. Spicy. So, tingnan natin yung messages for my file number 2. Oh my gosh. I don't want to lose you, number 4. I'm sorry. Do you even care? Oh my gosh. Kung this is a sister of yours na nakagawa ng kasalanan sa'yo, this sister don't want to lose contact with you, communication. Okay. Maybe binlock mo to sa may Facebook. Or if this is husband, same scenario with the sister, okay? Feeling ito, wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya. I'm too afraid to talk to you. Oh. This sister is afraid to talk to you, or this husband is afraid to talk to you. O pwedeng nawawala ka, hinahanap ka. Kaso binlock mo siya. Wala na siyang communication sa iyo. This person who is watching you on the internet. Uy, 15. You make me want to do bad things. Oh. And Ace of Cups or Page of Cups. Water sign. Bottom of the deck is number 2. I still don't have all the answers. With the I'm sorry card. It can be a husband kung nag-away kayo ng husband mo. And maybe nakikibalita to sa kapatid mo. Oh? It can be nakikibalita sa kapatid mo. O pwedeng lumipat ka, kinat off mo siya, nakablock siya, hinahanap ka nito, okay? This husband or a soulmate is afraid to talk to you. Meron tong nagawa siguro sa'yo. Okay? With the I'm sorry card. Oh, 7 of Wands, standing your ground. You put boundary with this person. You are very protective over something or over your territory, your space. Fire sign. Parang meron ako nakikita dito nag-aaway sa sa ari-arian. Oh my gosh. Tingnan natin ha. Card number 2. Six of Swords. This person, feeling niya, iniwanan mo siya, you leave him behind. You distance yourself with this person. Six of Cups. This person being nostalgic. It can be this is a soulmate nga, a soulmate and a Six of Cups. This is a soulmate. Soulmate card, or this is a ex-husband for some of you. Reminiscing. Namimiss ka nito. File number 2. Kasi naglagay ka ng boundary dito sa person na to. Namimiss ka na itong person na to. Masyadong madami yung card. Last 2 card. Uy, Ace of Cups with the One of Cups. With the... look. 1 cup with the Ace of Cups. Love. New relationship. A proposal. Susuyuin ka ulit nito. This is a water sign. Wants to offer you emotion. For some of you, this is a husband. Siguro na nagkaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaunawaan o separation from the past. An ex-husband. Meron ako nakita for some of you, this is an ex-husband. Oh, with the 9 of Pentacles. Uy, you're very independent. You know your self-worth. Oh. You are successful. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit card. Ay, meron akong nakuha na yung iba sa inyo nagpakalayo-layo muna. Okay, for some of you, meron akong nakita this is a taboo. Okay, meron akong nakita na maybe this husband is cheated on you with your sister. Okay? That's why you put boundaries, you cut off this two person. Okay? And inasikaso mo yung sarili mo. You are successful right now with the Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment, independent, financially stable. Okay? This person don't want to lose you and being sorry for what happened. Oh my gosh. You are in the hermit mode. Hermit mode, you are soul searching right now, wants to be alone. You withdraw with this person, you put boundary with this persons. This person realize that ikaw yung mahal niya. Okay, ikaw ang mahal nitong person na to. Who is watching you? An ex-husband, a soulmate. Okay? A Six of Cups, a soulmate. Being nostalgic. Watching you in the internet, doing fake account. Okay? With the pretending card, with the fake. Okay? Because you already put boundaries, you cut off this person, nakipaghiwalay ka dito, binenta mo yung mga ari-ari mo na nagpakalayo-layo ka. Lumayo ka sa kanya, nakipaghiwalay ka. You are standing your ground, ready to fight. Okay? You move on. And this person feeling na iniwan mo siya, you leave him or her behind. This person still loves you. This person is afraid to talk to you because meron siyang ginawa sa'yo. And feeling na tong person na to, wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya. That's why this person is feeling sorry for what happened. Hindi mo siya kinakausap, kaya itong person na to is lost. Okay? This person, dahil hindi mo siya kinakausap, nakakaisip na to ng anything na paraan para makausap ka kasi lumayo ka sa kanya, hindi kanya makita. You are lost. This person is searching for you. With the One of Cups and the Page of Cups, this person still loves you. Water sign, this person wants to offer his cup sa'yo. Gusto kang suyuin. Because you are a Nine of Pentacles. Independent. Financially stable. Okay, so kuha tayo ng advice card with pile number 2. As advice card for my pile number 2, hindi lahat mag-resonate sa inyo guys. Take what's resonate and leave the rest sa others na nanonood. Pasensya na ha, bibilisan ko na ate reading kasi meron nagbibidyo ako dito sa kapitbahay. Give me one card. Oops, thank you. Soulmate. Soulmate again, guys. Look. Six of Cups with a soulmate card and a soulmate card. This person is your soulmate. Nakikita nyo ba, guys? A soulmate. Soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. This is a soulmate. Oh my God, this is a soulmate. This is your soulmate, guys. Watching sa'yo on the internet. This is a husband. Okay? So, pile number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin. If not, you can watch pile number 1. Okay? Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, guys. And leave a comment. I appreciate those na nagko-comment and sinasabi if resonated sa kanila. Na-appreciate ko yon. Okay? So, pile number 2, who is spying on you, it can be this is an ex-husband. Okay? A lover, a soulmate. Why? This person wants to say sorry. Afraid to talk to you. Okay? This person still loves you. This person feels na iniwanan mo siya. You leave behind kasi lumipat ka, binenta mo yung mga ari-arian mo, binlock mo sila, binlock mo siya, okay? And wala siyang means of communication sa'yo. Totally walang balita. Okay? Kaya gusto nito makipag-usap sa'yo. Okay? Mahal ka pa nito, gusto kong suyuin. Okay? So, pile number 2, thank you so much. Kung hindi nag-resonate sa'yo, pwede nga manood ng file number 1. Okay, hindi ko na papatagalin. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Stay tuned kasi may mga i-upload pa akong bagong videos. And God bless. Happy Thursday sa inyong lahat. Bye!